Aras Monitor is risk-spanned, comprehensive, and highly customizable model governance application designed to support all areas of model risk management, including managing model inventories, scheduling and tracking model validations, monitoring model performance, and overseeing model change management. In this brief video, we will demonstrate some of Monitor's most popular basic features. Aras Monitor enables model risk managers to create, track, and update model inventories. The application makes it easy to add new models, changes to models, model reviews, and model-related issues and findings. All of the models and model-related information you create and edit from the intake menu can be viewed in the model listing. Finding a model in your inventory is easy. When the tool returns the model based on your search terms, you can select it by clicking on the hyperlink. The key model information is housed here, including the model's name and version, the programming platform it's built on, the model's risk ranking, how frequently it has to be reviewed and validated, how and why the model is used, and what product it impacts. The model listing also contains fields to enter important model limitations and assumptions and key inputs and outputs, so you don't have to fish them out of your model documentation. You can track open issues associated with the model, as well as the model's validation, ongoing monitoring, and change history. Finally, you can also upload any documents associated with the model documentation, user guides, vendor documentation, anything that might be pertinent to the model. The tool also helps manage the model validation process, everything from scheduling the validation all the way through to tracking the resolution of model validation issues and findings. Let's say you want to look at a current or past validation of the model. Clicking on the validation event brings up this screen summarizing the details of the validation. Many models have multiple uses, and some validations cover only a subset of those uses. This menu lets you select the uses that are covered by the validation. You can select whether the review in question is a full-scope validation or simply an ongoing monitoring activity. This page also displays calculated deadlines and allows users to override deadlines established by the system. You can track approvals for accountability, who completed and approved the validation. Here you can also upload any documents associated with the model validation. When issues emerge from a validation, you can enter them and track them here. And you can see all the details associated with the particular issue in question, who identified it, what the remediation of it is, who fixed it, who approved it, and when. And finally, here is another opportunity to upload documents, this time documents pertaining to the issue and its resolution. Getting back to the main model page is easy. You just need to click on one of the breadcrumb links at the top of the page. These buttons in the black bar enable you to create a new version of an existing model, or in some cases, to clone an existing model in order to create an entirely new model that shares many of the characteristics of a model already in the inventory. The list icon enables you to interactively view, sort, and filter various lists of models, model changes, model reviews, and model issues. Once on this page, you can filter and sort your inventory based on anything you'd like. Perhaps you just want to look at Tier 1 models or just Excel-based models. The VI functionality embedded in the application enables you to group by criteria, search, even export lists in response to regulator requests. The notifications icon helps you to stay on top of validation issues that are approaching or past due. Here you can see, among other things, issues whose remediation deadlines are coming due, have passed, or have been established in the past week. Validations whose start or completion deadlines are upcoming or have passed, and issues, validations, and changes that may be complete but still have required approvals outstanding. The user defined as the administrator can view all of these notifications. Other users, such as validators and model owners, can only see the notifications that pertain to their specific work and responsibilities. User privileges are set under the administration icon. Under administration, You can add and deactivate users and adjust what they can and can't see and do in the application. Administration is also where you can customize Monitor by adding new fields. Much of the genius of Aras Monitor is in its configurability. You can use the fields you need, hide fields you don't, and add new fields. Monitor was created in close collaboration with model risk managers with the specific needs of model risk management in mind. For a more comprehensive demonstration on how Monitor can work in your organization, please contact us.